Good morning. It's Friday, January the 3rd, about 7 o'clock in the morning. This is going to be a video on my Alpicool T50. That's it. The noise you hear in the background is about as loud as it's going to get. It's running on about 50 watts. Right now, it cycles on and off. And it's a 53 quart, 50 liter, dual zoned refrigerator freezer, compressor driven. Actually right now it's taking 57 watts. I've got a fully charged battery or batteries. What you see basically is my Goal Zero Yeti 400. It's hooked up to two extra 35 amp hour batteries, giving me a total of 102 amp hours, and it's running my by solar power. It's running my Alpicool refrigerator. On top of it, you can see my Goal Zero torch lamp. It's a solar powered, runs on solar. It can also be used to charge little phones and such. It's got a hand crank, nice little accessory. Got it on Amazon for $69. I bought the Goal Zero 400 for $402 delivered, and the spare batteries come from Harbor Freight. I got them for about $60 a piece. The boxes they're sitting in, I paid $7 a piece on Amazon, and the cables that are hooked into the Goal Zero are basically about $20 a piece. It's a real nice setup, very inexpensive. Right now, you can see that the dual zone is set for about freezing level, right at freezing. It's at 30 degrees on the left side, 32 on the right side. You can see the temperature just dropped down to 30. So it's at 30 degrees on both sides. It's got a basket. It's also got an internal LED light. You can see got it full with stuff. Very good. It's got wheels on one end. It's got handles on this end. I can use the handle to basically pull it along. You can also carry it if you need to. It's a very nice setup. Alright, so briefly explaining the specs. The exterior dimensions are 28.5 inches by 14.2 inches by 18 inches. The temperature range is -4 degrees to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The noise level is 45 decibels. It weighs 34.2 pounds empty. I paid $325 with tax included, free shipping. It uses about 50 watts when it's running. Cycles about 5 minutes on, 10 to 15 minutes off. It is the Alpicool dual temperature zone control T50 portable refrigerator, 53 quart, 50 liter, runs on 12 volt, 24 volt DC, and 110 AC. Currently, it's $339 on Amazon with free shipping. I paid $299 with free shipping plus tax for about $325. I highly recommend it.